Here's example A. Again, we need to start by factoring all our denominators. So we end up with 5 over difference of squares, x plus 5, x minus 5, plus 4 over x plus 5 times x plus 5, because we needed two numbers that added to 10 and multiplied to 25. Perfect. And now we can see that x can't equal 5 or negative 5, or we'll be dividing by 0. Perfect. And our lowest common denominator, our first term has an x plus 5 and an x minus 5. And our second term has two x plus 5s, which means that we're going to need two x plus 5s and one x minus 5. So we're going to need to multiply our first term by x plus 5 over x plus 5. And our second term by x minus 5 over x minus 5. All right, we need to expand the 5 into here. So we get 5x plus 25. Notice that x plus 5 times x plus 5 is just x plus 5 squared. Oops. And same thing over here. I need to multiply that 4 in. Perfect. And just add them together, collect like terms. And notice that x still can't equal negative 5 or 5. And here we go, example B on the last page. Nothing new here, just basically a really big, nasty question. All right, so same as before, we have to factor both our denominators. So we end up with n minus 2 all over n minus 2 times n minus 3 minus n plus 4. And that's going to be all over n minus 5 times n minus 6. From this, we can see that n can't equal 2, 3, 5, or 6. And now that we've got it that n can't equal 2, n minus 2 over n minus 2 is going to be 1. So our lowest common denominator will be n minus 3 times n minus 5 times n minus 6. We'll have to multiply our first term by n minus 5 times n minus 6 over n minus 5 times n minus 6. And our second term we'll have to multiply by n minus 3 over n minus 3. Oops. All right, we've got our common denominators now. And now we have to do some expanding, or double rainbowing. So we get n squared minus 11n plus 30 over here. And over here we're going to have n squared plus n minus 12. All right. So notice we need to multiply this negative through the brackets as we add these together. So I get n squared minus 11n plus 30 minus n squared minus n plus 12. And now just collect like terms. N squared minus n squared is 0. Negative 12n plus 42. Remembering that n can't equal 2, 3, 5, or 6. Notice that even though 2 won't give us the division by 0 now, we want it equivalent to the original expression, so it has to be one of our non-permissible values.